Hey guys, this is Joanne Smythe with 5starsynthetics.com, and today I want to talk a little bit about the Amsoil Vtwin motorcycle oil, which is the 20w50 weight, and this is good for the Harley Davidsons, the majority of them. I have quite a few Harley Riders that use this, and they swear by it. This is a phenomenal product to use on your bikes, guys. So it's outstanding wet clutch performance. It has exceptional wear protection. It promotes cooler operation, especially when you're in rallies and stuff and you're at a slow pace and your engine's warming up. It helps keep it cooler. It protects against rust and corrosion during storage. This is overall a fantastic product that we've got some really great reviews back from. And if you guys are interested in any of the Amsoil product line, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-297-1944. We'd be happy to help you. Or you can visit our website at www.5starsynthetics.com and make sure that you like and subscribe to our videos, as we will be bringing more information and product reviews to our channel. And until next time.